Hello, everybody. Mr. Hintz here. I'm going to do a week 7 preview. So instead of a recap, I'm going to do a preview video this week to kind of tell you what the week is going to look like moving forward. So this is for 6th grade Minnesota Studies, week 7. So on Monday, A days, when you are here, we'll be going over the winter count and class activities. So we'll do an in-class activity with the winter count to shore that up. Now, B days, when you are at home, you will be working on what's called a HyperDoc. It's a Google Doc that has links inside of it for all the resources that you need. Okay? It'll be located in the week 7 Schoology folder. So your job at home is to do the HyperDoc. Now the HyperDoc has you read a part of the textbook that's linked in the doc, and then there are some questions and activities you're supposed to do on the HyperDoc itself after reading. All right, and that's going to be a pattern for this week. So whenever any of the students are at home, A and B days, so on your at-home days, you will be doing some sort of a HyperDoc. So on Monday, when B-Day students are at home, you'll be doing the Badger and the Bear HyperDoc. What we'll do this week is that we'll be reading some Native American Dakota stories and extracting from that values that the community has. And then when we're in class, we'll do an in-class activity, okay? Tuesday for B-Days and Thursday as well. Then on Wednesday, we'll be doing it for A days. We'll be doing an activity that has us practice those values, okay? So at home, A and B day students, when you are at home this week, you will be doing one of the 2 HyperDocs, the Badger and the Bear HyperDoc or the Ghost Wife HyperDoc. Now, 100% distance learning students, you will be following along with the B-Day schedule. So on Monday, 100% distance learning students, you will also be doing the HyperDoc. Then you'll be doing a modified version of the honorship activity that we will do in class. Then you'll do another HyperDoc for the Ghost Wife story. And then you'll do a modified version of the activity in class later in the week. And then everyone will be doing a map lab on Friday, okay? So just wanted to give you a preview of what's to come this week. Parents, guardians at home, just so you know that each day that your student is at home and they're A or B day hybrid students, they should be working on a HyperDoc from our class. And they should be able to show you when they're done. Okay, so if you ask them about it, they can show it to you. And if it's not done, get them on top of it so that when they come into class the next day, they're ready for the activity. Because the activities we do are going to be based off of the HyperDocs that are done at home. So it's very important this week that when we're at home, we're doing our HyperDoc for that day. Please follow along with the Schoology agenda. I will not be in school for 2 weeks because my wife is having a baby and I'll be home taking care of the family. So my communication will be with students from Schoology and through the substitute, Mrs. Dippery. But you can help yourself by going to the Schoology page every day you're at home, looking at the agenda and following along with what you need to be doing that day. Good luck, have fun with it, and we'll see you when I come back.